Welcome to Nabeel Math Academy. This is Dr. Mohammed Nabeel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the equation of a plane. So, in the three dimension, so this is the coordinate system, the three-dimension coordinate system. This is the plane we will consider here, and R naught is the position vector at the point. So from this one, we can write it as n times of r minus r naught equals 0. This is a vector equation of a plane, where n is a direction, the normal vector. So normal vector to the plane. What do you mean by normal vector? It should be a perpendicular to the plane. So if you see, this one is a plane which is perpendicular. This is the going perpendicular to the plane. This is the n vector, normal vector. And r naught is a position vector. So if you evaluate this one, you will get a times of x minus x naught plus b into y minus y naught c into z minus z naught equal 0. So this is the scalar equation of a plane, and this is a vector equation of a plane. So depend upon the question it is asking, you have to write it the scalar and vector product, the vector equation of a plane. Now here in this one, find the equation of a plane through the point. This is a point is given, and the normal vector it is directly given. And find the intercept and sketch the graph. Of the plane. So how will you draw this one? So here first of all we will take it the a vector. This is the r vector. It is given r naught. This is actually the r naught value. So r naught value is given by r naught is 2 comma 4 comma minus 1, and this is the n cap, that is the normal vector abc. So this is the abc which is given. So a comma b comma c, the normal vector n is given by 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now I will calculate the scalar equation of a plane. Scalar equation is given by scalar equation of a plane is given by a times of x minus x naught plus b times of y minus y naught plus c times of z minus z naught equal 0. Now just substitute the values. What is the value of a? A is 2. X minus x naught, this is my x naught, y naught, z naught. So x naught, which is equals to, plus b value, which is 3, y minus 4, plus c value, which is 4, z minus of minus plus 1 equal 0. After that we have to simplify. What is the simplification? So after multiplying, you will get 2x minus 4 plus 3y minus 12, then plus 4z plus 4z plus 4 equal 0. Now add it, 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal, this is plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled. If you move the 12 on the other side, it becomes plus 12. So this is the equation of a plane. This is the equation of plane. Now, in order to draw the graph, we will go with the sketching. What is the easiest way of sketching the graph? So I will write it by using the intercept form. So how will you form the intercept to sketch the graph? I will use the x-axis. If you say the x-axis, the y x-intercept, therefore the y and z is equal 0. Therefore the plane equation becomes 2x is equals 12. So x is equal 6. So this is 1.6 comma 0 comma 0. It's a 1 point. Similarly, if you go with the y-intercept, so the remaining x and z is equal 0. If you put it in the equation of a plane, 3y is equals to, well, which is equal, x is equal, y equal 4. Y equal 4. So you will get 0, comma 4, comma 0. And the last value, which is the z. So z intercept. So we will have x, y, 0. So you will get 4z is equals 12. Z is equals 3. Z is equals 3. 0, comma 0, comma 3. So this is the point. Now if you draw the graph of this point, so it is very easy. So we have this is x, y, z, x, this is y, and this is z. And the points are, what are the points here? This is 6, comma 0, comma 0. This is 4, comma 0, comma 0. This is 3, comma 0, comma 0. So this is the plane. So this is the plane we have. That's it. So here, now coming to the next equation, find the equation of a plane. Here also the same question is asking, but here the point is 3 points are given, not like before example, before problem. In this one, you will get 1 point and one normal vector is directly given. 1 point and normal vector. A normal vector given, so we will do it directly. But here the problem is we cannot go directly. Why? Because we will have don't have the normal vector. So first you have to calculate the normal vector to the plane. So only the 3 points are given here. 3 points are given. So how will you calculate? So this is a different type of problem. So first of all, we have to form the normal vector. How will you form the normal vector? For that one, we have to draw the graph. So the graph is looking like this one. So if you draw the points, so this is x, this is y, z, x, y, z. And here we will have, this is the point P, and this is the point Q, and this is the point R. So join the line. So I will take the P, taking a P common. So I will take, this is a vector A, vector B. We have to calculate first from the points. So I will calculate the point first. The A vector is given by PQ. What is PQ? Subtract Q minus P. So it is 3 minus 1, which is 2. Minus 1 minus 3, which is minus 4. 6 minus 2, which is 4. So this is the PQ, A vector. Similarly, B vector, it is PR. So subtract R with the P. So what happened? 4, 5 minus 1, 4. 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. 0 minus 2, which is minus 2. So this is the vector. Now the AB is clear. We will have A and B clear. Now I want to calculate the normal vector. What is the purpose of calculating the A and B? Because we have to find it the normal vector to the plane. So what are the normal vector to the plane? So this is AB, A cross B. So you have to calculate the cross product. That is the normal vector, n cap, n vector. The normal vector is given by A cross B. So how will you calculate A cross B? Is the cross product. It is the determinant I, J, K. And what is the values? 2 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 1 minus 2. And after that, you have to simplify. This is 8 minus, it become plus 4, 12 minus j times of minus 4 minus 16 and then plus k times of minus 2 plus 16 minus 2 plus 16. So if you simplify, you will get 12i plus, this is minus 20 minus of minus, it become plus 20, and here it is plus 14k. So this is my n vector. So once if you get the n vector and take the point, common point, we are taking the p value as a common point. So this is the point and this is the n cap. After that it is a regular method. So as usual thereafter. So one point is given. What is the point? 1, comma 3, comma 2, and the normal vector is given by 12, comma 20, comma 14. After that, the equation of a plane is as usual. What is that? A times of x minus x naught plus b times of y minus y naught plus is c times of z minus z naught equal 0. So substitute the values here. So we will have it here. This is a, b, c, and this is x naught, y naught, z naught. And then if you substitute the value, it becomes 12 times of x minus 1 plus 20 times of y minus 3 plus 14 times of z minus 2 equal 0. And then we will have simplification after that. So what are the simplify here? So it is 12x minus 12 plus 20y minus 60 plus 14z minus 28 equals 0. I write it the x. 12x plus 20y plus 14z is equal. What is the simplify you have getting? So this is 72 72 minus 28. So minus 72 minus 28, which is minus 100. If you move on the other side, it become plus 100. It can be simplified. The other simplified part is divided by 2. So you will get 6x plus 10y plus 7z equal 50. So this is the equation of a plane. This is the equation of plane. Now the last question of this topic, which is here asking find the point. You have to calculate the point at which the line with the parametric equation, the x, y, z, it is intersect with the plane. It is intersect with the plane. So you have to calculate first the value of t. Once if you calculate the t value, then you can substitute x, y, z, you will get the point. So when it is intersect, it satisfies these parametric equations satisfies the plane equation. So I will substitute the given equation, the given x, y, z in the here. So this is x, this is y, this is z. I substitute in the plane equation. So it will satisfy. When you say it is intersect, it will satisfy the equation. So I will just substitute 4 times of plus 5 times of the z x value minus 2 times of equal 18. So what are the values here? The x value 2 plus 3t and here minus 4t 5 plus t. Now I just substitute the value. What are the value substitution here? So it is 8 plus 12t minus 20t minus 10 minus 2t equal 18. Now if you simplify this one, what happened? This is plus 10 minus 10, which is minus 10. So you will get minus 10t equal. This is minus 2. If you move it other side, it become plus 2. 18 plus 2. So minus 10t equal 20. T is equal minus 2. So I got it. The t value is equal minus 2. Just substitute in the parametric equation. So what are the parametric equation? X value is 2 plus 3 times of minus 2. So which is equal here 2 minus 6, which is minus 4. So this is the x value. Y value minus 4 times of minus 2, which is equal plus 8. Z is equal 5 plus minus 2, which is equal plus 3. Therefore the point of intersection is minus 4 comma 8 comma 3 is the point of intersection where this parametric equation intersect the plane. Thank you.